What it do, what it do? This your boy Shot Pimp. Back with another video, man. Day of the car show. About to wash up the Cranberry Caprice, get it ready. Whip by way the model. Car show tomorrow. Yes, sir. Let me show you. She over here looking beautiful. Over here looking beautiful. Over here looking beautiful. Ooh. The money for you. Beautiful. Y'all want to see the steering wheel too? Yeah, steering wheel. Yeah. Look, I would drive the vert, but it's gonna be too hot for that. Too hot for the vert. My neighbor up too. Yeah, it's gonna be hot for the vert. Too hot for Big Red. Too hot for Big Red. Man, it's a long ass car. Look at it right there. How long it'll take me to get to the front? Now look how long they car is. I wonder how they used to park these damn cars back in the day. Valet parking used to catch. Hey, look how long that car is. Now look how short. Short car. Long car. Man, I would hate to be. Man, I would hate to be a valet parker back in the day, back in the 70s. Parking these big ass cars. Man, you be there all day. Big sexy red. Real sexy red. Sexy red. You want to do a video on my car? Real original sexy red. Car way before you even thought of. Love the hip. Look at the hips on that car. Love them hips. Them hips. Back end. Love that back end. She got a fat ass. Ooh, still got the symbols on here. Alright. Alright. Alright, let me get to watching these cars, man. It's hot out here. I'm gonna be out here all day. Let me get to watching these cars. Get my wash on. I'll get with y'all in a minute. y'all wait. I'm on the way, baby. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. Yes, sir. I'm on the way. It's your boy Shot a Pimp, ATL hitting them streets, and the Cranberry Capri, man. I'm coming. Getting ready for the show. Please. Y'all hear that thing beating? Boy, y'all hear that thing beating? Y'all hear that thing beat? Cranberry Capri.